How's it going, guys? So today I'm here at a car event and my dad's here with his truck. He's actually about to head out because there's a really bad storm coming, but I'm here out with my LeSabre. I'm sure you saw it last video. And yeah, we're just out here checking out all the cars, inviting people to a huge car event I'm actually hosting. So starting off, we're gonna go down the line. Some people are packing up because they don't want to get wet. This over here is pretty cool. It's like a Ute. It's custom made. I absolutely love this Chevrolet. Very nice. I love all the clean body lines on it. Look at that shifter. You don't really see that too often. And then over here, we have this beautiful wagon. So I absolutely love wagons. I grew up in one, just absolutely love it. Even the paint going on the inside is very nice. Very cool setup. Oh, there's a little dog. Over here we have this, and it looks like they put an LT engine in here. I could be wrong. No, yeah, I think I'm wrong. But yeah, very nice. I'm sure that goes pretty fast. Has the little rubber parts on it. We even have a nice motorcycle. We have something a little bit more modern. And then over here we have a very nice orange Camaro. Don't really see these too often anymore. And then over here we have ourselves another Camaro, which actually has a little tiny wheelie bar looking thing. Very cool. And then we're gonna make our way over here soon. That actually has a really cool backstory, and I don't even know all the details about it yet. But look at that. That over there is probably the oldest car here. It's a 40s Dodge. We have a beautiful Plymouth over here. I mean, look at that. That Barracuda. I love that color. But this right here is actually a show car that was made in the 60s. Primarily said here in 66. So it was ahead of its time, because back then they didn't do hot rod type stuff like this. That was not something they did in the 60s with this type car. Over here we have ourselves a nice Judge. You don't see those too often. Totally different looking than the modern GTO. And yeah, it looks like everybody's packing up. Very nice. We have that over there. So there we have it. Everybody's leaving me this because of rain. I don't blame them. I'm kind of out here with my leather top, so I probably need to leave myself.